As the virtual assistant space is becoming highly competitive, being very strategic will help you stay on top of your game, will help you stand out amongst the crowd. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are watching me for the very first time, my name is Jeff Frances and I am a virtual assistant. Welcome to my community. For my new virtual assistants in the house, for the upcoming virtual assistants or the new virtual assistants that are still looking for job, chances are that you and hundreds of other people, if not thousands, are applying for the same job. So the question is, what do you do to stand out? Video proposals. Video proposals will help to create more personal connections between you and your potential clients. The truth is this, I never liked video proposal. I never liked any job that requires me to submit a video proposal. But my experience from being a virtual assistant has taught me that video proposals will help you get faster than staying behind the scene. Video proposals is something people run away from because you actually need strength to create that video. You actually need strength to make a video. So people run away from sending video proposals. But imagine being the one to send that video. It's easier to go to ChatGPT and draft a proposal and send to your potential client, but sending a video proposal is going to get you faster than being behind the scene and typing. This is already a remote environment, so utilize every opportunity you can get to build trust. When making your videos for a proposal, I want you to create a more personal connection with your potential client, addressing them as if you're already their virtual assistant, as if you're already working as their virtual assistant. This will make you look like a more real person than typing behind the laptop. Talk more about your clients and how your services as a virtual assistant will benefit your potential clients in line with the job description. Also add your tools proficiency on the video. While making the video, add your tools proficiency and your work samples. Add your work samples, talk about the tools you have expertise on, add it in the video proposal. The purpose of this video proposal is for you to express yourself more. You are able to express yourself, you are able to show value. You can say, you're able to convince your clients that this is how I'm going to help you. I'm not just hiding myself behind the scene. I'm not just typing, because it's easier to trust somebody that is sending a video. You can easily convince somebody by sending a video than for you to just type and for you to draft a proposal. So talk more about your clients and about how your services can benefit them. As a virtual assistant, staying behind the scene is never going to help you grow. It's never going to help you succeed in this space. So it's high time you start coming out. On Upwork, most jobs that are coming out on Upwork these days now have video proposal. Some clients are now making it a compulsory requirement for you to submit a video proposal as part of your job application. As part of the job application, you have to submit a video proposal. This is already a remote environment, so utilize every opportunity you can get to build trust. Utilize it. Be very strategic about what you are doing. If you want to excel in this space, you have to be very strategic. You have to keep topping up your game. Let me know if you have any questions about video proposals in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.